Hello everyone, marhaba. Now it's time to talk about the Arabic alphabets in order to point out why was it important to come up with the Romanized Arabic letters for anybody who wants to learn Arabic as a non-native speaker. For a starter, this is how the Arabic alphabets look like. And this is how the Arabic alphabet sounds. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zain, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, طاء ضاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون هاء واو ياء. Of course, this is how the Arabic letters look like in their basic form. Now, we write the Arabic letters in words connected to each other. So, the Arabic letters will look differently according to their position, whether they are after or before a vowel, the consonants, whether the letter is at the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word. Let's take the letter Ba as an example. When this letter comes at the beginning of the word, it looks like that. In the middle of the word, looks like that, and at the end of the word. In my long career in teaching Arabic for non-natives, I found out firsthand how this process will be very difficult for any beginner who wants to learn the Arabic language. Most learners would attempt to write the words in Latin letters the way they are used to in order to be able to revise them when they want to, until they are able to write and read the words in Arabic alphabets. They will end up confused even before starting the learning process. For instance, I noticed in my early teaching stage that some students were writing words like Jamal, which is a name, and Jamal, which means camel, the same way. Another example, Hala and Hala. Hala means sweet. Hala is one way of saying welcome. Therefore, we felt the necessity of making some rules that takes into consideration the pronunciation methodology in the Arabic language. Well, for a starter, we have made 4 groups of letters. These groups are usual consonants, unusual consonants, standard vowels, and short vowels or signs. In the next clip, we are going to talk about the Romanized Arabic letters in more details. One fact we should all know that as much as Arabic sounds and looks a little bit unusual and difficult, but actually it has a very simple rule when it comes to pronunciation of letters. So make sure that you listen in to the next clip. You will be surprised. Thank you and good luck.